Welcome to the instructions video for the Permeability Grain Size Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you estimate the hydraulic conductivity of granular soils based on grain size characteristics. It's essential for groundwater analysis, drainage design, and geotechnical assessments. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key parameters. First, input the effective grain diameter, known as D10, which represents the grain size where 10% of particles are finer. Enter a value like 0.2 millimeters for a typical sandy soil. Next, enter the uniformity coefficient, which describes how well sorted the soil is. A value of 3 works well for our example. You may also need to input porosity, if required. The calculator applies the Hazen equation or similar empirical formulas to estimate hydraulic conductivity. Once calculated, the results show the estimated permeability in meters per second or centimeters per second, helping you understand how quickly water flows through the soil. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.